In this video, I would like to show you how to add an assignment to your Schoology classroom so that you can share it with students or do some grading in Schoology. I'm starting in my resource folder and I'm going to select the folder where the assignment is that I want to add. So here is the assignment I want to add to my class. So I'm going to go over to the right to the little cog, click my drop down and select Add to Course. Here you can see all my classes have showed up and I can now select the one that I want to add it to. So I'm going to add it to my 4B class and there's a drop down here. So if I've built folders in my classroom, I can select and put my assignment inside of there. I don't have any in there right now. I am going to select a due date and I will make the due date Monday. I need to next select a grading category. This is a project and those categories are built prior to me adding any assignments in. If I don't have any categories, I just select ungraded and then I can edit that in my class. But I already have it. So project. And I can then add this to a class. I can add to multiple classes at the same time. So I can add this to my 4A class as well. I have folders in this class, so I'm going to put this in my projects folder, select my due date, and then this has a little asterisk for category, project, and I can now add this into my classes. So I click add. And you can see at the top, it says template was added. But if I want to double check, I'm going to go to my courses, select my course. So first I added it into 4B. And there it is. There is my Drawing 1 assignment. So if students clicked on this assignment, they can see their rubric. They can't change anything or add anything here, but they can at least read it. And then if I want to make sure it's in my gradebook, I can just click on gradebook and there it is. If I wanted to actually grade the assignment, I just click on the little rubric icon and pops up my assignment. So here's my assignment and I can simply click on the categories and Schoology automatically grades it for me. I can click save and the points are there. And if I want to push it to PowerSchool, I just click sync changes to PowerSchool and it will end up in my PowerSchool gradebook. I don't have to click save or anything.